So I got a delivery out here in Thermal. It's right next to Coachella. I am at the Thermal Club, which is a private, well, it's a race course where they actually build homes on the racetrack, which is pretty awesome. This is like uber rich. Store your race cars here, drive them right onto the track from your house. And I guess they even got maybe IndyCar gonna come here for some kind of trial runs or something maybe next year. I guess it's one of the premier racetracks in the world now. But I'm actually delivering to the BMW off-road course for the BMW driving school. So you do the BMW road course and you come over here to this off-road course that we're building here. You can see in front of me, these are bumps that they, I guess it's for the SUVs. Obviously you're not going to bring the cars on this track. But you can see these bumps they have to go over. And just keep in mind, it's not done yet, but it's getting there. So it starts down there. They got these undulations they got to go through. And then it comes all the way back to this hill. So they got to do a hill climb over there. And these guys over here are digging out a thing where it goes down into water. So this is kind of one of the cooler locations I deliver to. Don't come here very often. The houses aren't even really, probably not even 20% built yet. But this, I mean, to get a place in here is, you gotta have some serious money, and this isn't a place where you're gonna have a full-time house you live in. This is when you have a ton of money and can afford a house for leisure or play for your sports cars. Oh, there we go. There's a BMW driving the course right now. They're testing out the dip right here. Seeing how deep they're gonna go. That's pretty cool. That thing is a brand new BMW. So I'm just delivering a pallet of fast set concrete here for them. And that's it. That's all I got. But this is pretty cool, man. They're building and testing it at the same time. That's pretty awesome. Looks like a lot of fun. I guess you could come out here. They advertise BMW school on the 10 freeway before you come into Palm Springs. So you can come out here, get your racetrack driving and some off-road driving if you take the BMW course. I'm sure it's pretty expensive, but at least this part of it looks pretty fun. But it's huge. It's got, I think there's three different track configurations that I was told. And now it's gonna have this, but all behind this fence. This is the track right here, the track wall. And the houses are over there built along the track. And then here's one of the warehouses where they store the cars. And there's a few of these here for a few different motorsports companies. But yeah, this is a up and coming destination, I guess, for the uber rich. So, you know, one day maybe they'll open it to the public and come check it out. But anyways, that's it for that one. Nice easy delivery to a really cool spot. And I'll catch you guys later. Give me a like or comment if you want, and then subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you later.